Hello Pointagrammers, Johnny here. In this video we are going to create a giveaway badge, the Employee of the Year. The giveaway badge was built to be given away manually. Not everything is or can be collected as data. Let's start from the badge page. Press on the big plus sign and then select the giveaway badge. Name your badge. Set a start date for when the badge can be given away. Set the options for notifications. Also, you're able to set team filter, so only certain teams can win this badge. You're almost done. Just choose an icon from our library or upload your own picture. Then just press save and complete and start using your badge. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.